Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Magic of Math, where today's episode is on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So first, let's talk about addition. I brought along these little pebbles here, and they're gonna help us. Okay? Now these pebbles are very special because they're magical, right? You take it just like so, disappears, go in this hand. Okay? But we're gonna use them to learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We're gonna learn it the magical way, and then we're gonna learn it the more traditional way. Okay. So, let's talk about addition. So, we have two stones. One here, one here. Now, if I want to add these together, I'm basically taking one, putting them together, and it's how much I have in total. Okay? So if we put these back, we have one. This is one. I messed that up, but it's fine. We have one plus another one. And what do we get in total? So we have one stone added to another stone, and that's going to get us two stones in total. Easy. What happens if we add more? So now, let's say we have 3 plus 4 plus 1. So we have 3 plus 4 plus 1. How do we deal with that? Well, we just take it step by step. Now, let's look at this. 3 plus 4. We have 4, 5, 6, 7. That's going to give us 7 plus 1. And now we can take that 7, add it to 1. And that's going to give us 8. So you can take these multi-layered equations here and break them down step by step. We took 3 plus 4. Really, it's a lot easier than doing 3 plus 4 plus 1. So we break it down. We break these down. Let's do 3 plus 4 first. That gives us 7. We have that 1 left, so we add 7 plus 1. That equals 8. Doing it step by step is way easier than all at once. Always remember that. Okay. Alright, if we take a look at this addition problem magically, we have a 7 plus a 3. 7 plus 3. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10. And that should equal 10, but of course we have a blank deck of cards here, unfortunately. But if I take this blank card just like so, and I show you there's a blank one on the bottom, you take that, put that, you can kind of just print the answer right there out of a blank set of cards. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So, let's do subtraction this time. So when we're subtracting, we're taking away. We're taking away. We take it away, okay? So let's say we have 4 right here, and we want to take away 2. So if I take 2 away from here, take them away, how much does that leave us? We have 2 left. 1, 2. Just that simple. Now, if we have something like, we have 5 minus 1 minus 2. Let's do that. 5 minus 1 minus 2. All right? Again, let's take this in steps. So, let's look at that. 5 minus 1. This makes things confusing. Let's take it. We have 5, take away 1. That's going to equal to 4. Then we have that 2 left. Let's take 2 more. And how much does that give us? We have 2. Just like that. So when we have these multi-step equations, just like we did with addition, we take them in steps. 5 minus 1, that's going to give us 4. We have that 2 left. We take 2 minus 4, that equals 2. All right, let's go into multiplication. Multiplication is a lot more difficult because there's this big grid that you have to memorize, and I know it's difficult. But check this out. I'll make this easy. Let's take our stones again that we have. Let's take just like so, and let's take 4 times 2. Now what this really means, you take 4 rows, we'll make 4 rows of 2, just like so. So we have 4 rows of 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows of 2. And how many do we have in total? Well, we have 2 here, then we have 2 here, then we have 2 here, then we have 2 here. It's kind of like addition. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, just like so. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. We have 8 in total. So 4 times 2 is 8. And we don't have to think about it like rows, we can think about it as groups too. So what if we make this harder? 6 times 3. Well, do I have that many stones? I think I should. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe we shouldn't do 6 times. Let's do 6 times 2. All right. Let's do 6 times 2. All right. So we have, instead of thinking of it as rows, we can think of it as groups. So we have 1 group of 6, and we have another group of 6 right here. So we have 1 group of 6, another group of 6. So we have 2 groups of 6. Add those together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 in total. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Finally, let's look at division. The big bad one, the evil one. So when we see 6 divided by 2, we're taking that group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're doing the opposite of multiplication. Instead of having multiple groups and then multiplying together, we're basically taking apart those groups and adding the amount of groups together. So if we say 6 divided by 2, let's take 2 away from 6. That's 1 group. That's another group. And that's another group. We have 1, 2, 3 groups in total. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Now let's try and do, let's do 12 divided by 3. So let's have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we have 12 in total. We're going to divide that by 3. Okay, we're going to take 1 group of 3, and we're going to take another group of 3. We're going to take another group of 3. We're going to take another group of 3 until we have nothing left. And how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And that is how you visualize addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Thank you all for watching.